Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Trying to regroup after my account was hacked earlier today. 15 million coins. I would say, but used to buy some elites that I didn't want. They're in my lineup now. I know I didn't put them there. Released some of my players. I mean, my favorite players that I had on my team. James Harden, I had him up to a 90. LeBron James up to a 91. Curry. Just still all my elites. I mean, some of my classic elites, they just gone. Larry Bird, Julius Irving. Man, it's heartbreaking, man. I mean, I grinded hard. I grind real hard, and I spend a few dollars too, get my account to where it is. But I'm not gonna let this stop me. Hopefully, I can get some answers. And I can get some help from some of you more experienced guys. Maybe an OG, older in age, but when it comes to this, I am definitely a rookie, a newbie, wet behind the ears. I mean, when it comes to broadcasting, as far as my gameplay goes on this NBA Mobile Live, I would say I'm pretty good. I'm not saying I'm the baddest, but I'm pretty good. I mean, I've been playing the game now for about 6 months. I mean, with the right lineup, I don't lose much. I play head to head. I play everything. Seasons, I play that. I play everything. Tournaments, all. So I'm just gonna, you know, boost my player count up. I went into the store and bought well over 100 triple double packs and about 50 combined player play style packs and pro packs. So I'm just gonna rip them open, see if I can pull some elites, just get my elite base back up. Before I was hacked, I had at least, I would say minimum, like close to 30 elites. Most of them were over 85, either by the pull or by me training them up. So real hard, but I'll recover and I'll be all right. Gonna start with these pro packs. See if we can get a few good pulls out here and a lead or two. Hopefully we can get out of here with something good. I just want to build my base back up. Just 2 days ago, I was reaching my limit for items. I was reaching my limit. I was at over 1,000 items for the first time since I've been doing this game, and all that's down the drain. I'm starting from scratch. My overall rating is a solid 91. On both sides, my classic and my NBA teams. But and I'll play with the players that whoever hacked me left me with, and they bought a 90. Wow, can't remember the card now. They bought a 90 card and then threw them in the auction house. Tried to sell them, and I don't know if they were trying to get the coins also, but the auction expired. I pulled the player back, and I posted them back in the auction block for 15. I think it was 15 mil starting price and 20 mil. I'll get the player's name for you. Matter of fact, I'll just take a look over there right quick and show you the player that's posted in my. Oh, sorry about that. Again, like I said, I'm a newbie. Yeah, Jerry Stackhouse is the player. Jerry Stackhouse. 45 minutes left. I have no bids on it. I'm just going to keep throwing them in there until somebody buys them. If I have to go lower, I will. I won't go no lower than 10 million though. Back to the pack opening. See if I can pull some pack love. Nothing yet. Same James Harden the sideline with that bad ankle. Definitely having a great year. I'm not a real big fan of his. I do respect his game. My favorite player is the King, LeBron James. To me, right on the same level. And trust me, this is coming from an OG. From what I've seen, I hold him right there with Jordan. I mean, the only downfall of the LeBron James legacy is he'll never match that 6-0 NBA title, a run that Michael Jordan had. He'll never win as many titles as Jordan, I don't think. But me, personally, don't hold a player's greatness by rings and championships. I'll never do that. That's why I always consider Patrick Ewing one of the best centers of all time, ring or no ring. Because no center played with as much heart as he did, in my opinion. But yeah, LeBron's my favorite player. I like the kid, the Greek freak. A few other players. My favorite all-time player, I would probably say Julius Erving. Get back to these packs. So far, no love. No release pulls yet. Just stocking up our gold, silver, and bronze again, which were depleted due to the hacking. Sounds funny, like why would somebody want to hack my account? And if it was EA, I haven't contacted them yet, but I'm gonna have to contact them because they should be responsible for that. I don't have solid, but I have proof from the videos that I've posted. People seeing my progress, what I've been doing the last month on this game. I've been getting it in. I've been grinding. Hard. You can ask my girlfriend that. No love out of the pro packs. The last two here. I think I opened up maybe 20 of them. Just about. No love. No elites. Still no elites. Here we go. First lead back on the scene, and it's actually a card I've never had. 81 overall, Lenny Wilkens. It's not a bad pull at all. Not a bad pull at all. Let's see if we can keep it going. I can use about 5 to 6 elites out of this pack opening here. So far, that's just one out of maybe like 30, 40. Here we go. We got our second one, 85 overall, Dominique. Yes. Yes. Well, I'm going to be selling some of my elites. I'm going to be buying some more coins tonight. So, like I said, whoever got me, you know, it's not going to stop me. I'm not rich. I'm a hard-working man like most people are. I earn my money the old-fashioned way. I go to work, and I work these hands to the bone to earn my money. I don't like it being taken from me for my pleasures, which is this game right now. So yeah, let's go. We got Dominique. Packs are warming up for OG. Triple OG about to get his pack love on. Yes, we get an 83 Kemba Walker. Let's go. Yes. Coming back strong. 30 elite. Let's go. I think I'm going to be selling all my players. Bronze, silver, and elite. I'm selling them all. Gold, I'm selling everything. About this first auction I put up. I'm putting players up. Small levels. Shout out to my buddy, MBG. Ultimate Buckeye. Bobby Buckets. Just looking for them guys to show a little love to the guy on the little totem pole. I just want a little share of the crowd, that's all. I don't want to I don't want to, blow up like 100K. I mean, if I get a couple of hundred subs, I'll be happy, man. And just before this hacking happened, I was in the process of thinking about contacting YouTube to see about getting a sponsorship, just making some extra cash, doing some videos. I mean, I think I can do an hour a day, just putting out a video of NBA Live Mobile. It's pretty much the only game I play anyway. Cool down. Come on back, baby. Bring that love back. Them dumbass out there, they be done caught frostbite and won't even know it. Some Negroes. Come on, where you at least? Give me something. Give me something. Come on, baby. There we go. Ask for it, you shall receive. 83. Isaiah Thomas. Let's go. I know somebody's keeping stats. The VA was too. Check my account and you see the grind I've been putting in. The money spent, all that. Check the coin site. NBA 2K King now have bought mad coins from them in the last month. I bought NBA Cash. No, I've spent way more than I can afford, actually. Well over $100, probably more like fucking, excuse my friend, more like $200. Do it. I felt it. Another elite. Let's go. Avery Bradley. I think that's 5. I got a. That was the. I still got 99 packs to go. So I think I probably was close to 200. It was well over 150, but I'm gonna keep ripping. I'm hoping to come out of here with at least 10 or more elites. I haven't even got to the playstyle packs yet. Now I got about 50 of them bad boys. Yes, Artis Gilmore. 81 overall. Definitely thumbing that auction house. I need a LeBron James. I'll go in there and buy me, but I don't care. I'm boosting right up to 90. Yes, Alonzo Mourning, 83 overall. Let's go. Never had that card either. Let's go. We warming up. We back. We're back. Minor setback. He's back ripping. Getting this squad back together. Feel it. Feel it. Yes, Rodney Hood is in the neighborhood. 82, let's go. If anyone out there you're watching the video, just would like to give a shout out, please do so. If you want to subscribe, I would appreciate that also. It's not a live video, I'm just doing this recording and I'm just going to post it up on YouTube probably right after I'm done with it. Excuse me. JaVale McGee with 79. Very good card there. Will sell for at least 20K. I've sold a bunch of them. Played with them. Didn't never boost them, train them up. I did train my thigh maker up to 81. He's gone. And down the last of the triple double packs. Play style packs are up next. I'll let you know how many of those I'll be ripping through. I do these last 8 here, triple double packs. Hi there. I feel elite in here. No, not quite. Can I get one out of these last 5? Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can get one more elite out of these triple double packs. Coming down to Patrick Patterson 76. That's a good pull on the gold tip. Coming down the last 3. See if we get one more elite out of these triple double packs. Last triple double pack. Pack love for OG. No love. I'm gonna go to these balanced playstyle packs. I think I went row to row. A lot more shooting packs, of course, as they are always the favorites here. Those are the power packs. Oh, you see, I started with that one. Let me open up this one and I know exactly how many I had. Good pull. We had a total of 55 playstyle packs. I know there's another pro style pack in here. So we had 55 playstyle packs. We had over 100 triple double packs. I did about 200 packs here. I didn't get the exact count, and I apologize for that. I know I spent like almost 4 million on these packs. So far I'm happy with the results. I'm very happy with the results so far. On the elite pulls out of the balance attack cards. I'm coming up on the shooting. I just know, like I've always pulled elites out of these shooting packs. Always, and it's never failed me. I hope it don't fail me now because, like I said, I think I'm like at 6 or 7 elites on this pack opening here. I had a goal of 10, hoping I can get there. Some good gold pull there. Not mad at that at all. love so far. It's like 15. I got a triple gold pull. That's not bad. 72, 74, and a 77. That ain't bad at all. 15 packs. No elites yet. Wow. I'm gonna move on to these little 5 run and gun joints and see if I can sneak an elite out of one of these run and gun packs. Triple gold pull again. No elites out of the last 20 some odd packs. Not good. Another triple gold pull. Look like the same 3 players. Last run and gun pack. Finally pulled my no, I bought the last P-Man for that. The guy that, whoever hacked me, he's still in the lineup. Trained up to 87, I think it is. I'm going to do these defensive packs before I do the power packs. Triple gold pull with Greg Popovich, defensive coach. Reed. Oh, I got a ball there, like a 79 Lonzo Ball. Definitely coin making card. To the tune of at least 20, 30. Yeah, so 76 Lance Stevenson will give me close to 10,000 coins. I'll check the auction house, at least if they're still selling for $250 or better. I'm gonna jump right in there with mine and at least try to recoup some of my coins back tonight. And we've had a dry spell for at least one. We're working on like 30 something packs, 40 packs without an elite coming up here. What is going on? What is going on here? What is going on? We're on the defensive, we're on the power packs now. And we have 23 packs left. Wow. It's going to be tough getting to that goal of 10. Can I break the streak? Can I break the streak? It's probably the longest time I've ever went without getting an elite. See what I'm saying? You ask and you shall receive. Let's go. That West Unseld card attributes are off the charts on some of them. I've had the card before. The agility on this guy is crazy. 88. Mid-range shot 84. Dunking 86. With contact 85. Oh yeah, definitely a seller. With a 77 Sean Elliott. Here we go. Oh, that had you in. Now can we get a roll going? 2 in a row, 2 in a row, 2 in a row. That's what I'm talking about. 2 in a row. Man. Let's go. Let's go for the three-peat. Why not? Go for the three-peat. Three-peat. It would have been my first official YouTube like go crazy moment if another Lee had been on that. I would have went stone cold crazy up in this piece. Power packs are giving me love, like they always do. Except for the power packs, we're down on the last 9 packs, shooting packs. I would have been up like 20 and didn't get no elite, so it has to be an elite within these last 9 packs. If not, I'll be in total shock again today. That milestone was there too. Down to the nitty gritty, baby. Can you get one more elite pull? One more. That 76 Todd Gibson is a good coin maker. One more elite. That was it. Last two. Last two. He's in here. I feel him. Yep. Gotta be in this one because this is it. Last pack. The used pack opening. Nope. But my item limit, I'm almost at my item limit again. I picked up about 800 players. Oh, Lord. Oh. And I'm going to end the video on that note. Again, any viewers, appreciate a like. Subscribe, would appreciate that too. Hopefully get another video out to you very soon, within the next day or so. Peace.